In Lesson 74, we're talking about fractional part of a number, and this is the second part. Back in Lesson 60, we learned that when we write the word of, we need to replace it with a multiplication sign. If we see the word is, we need to replace the is with an equal sign. Let's take a look at example 1. What fraction of 56 is 42? Each letter or word in here tells us something significant. What fraction? So our answer is going to be a fraction. We don't know that. So we're going to put what fraction of 56 is 42. Now we just solve for the what fraction part. When we do that, we see what fraction is being multiplied times 56. So the opposite of multiplying by 56 is dividing by 56. So therefore, we divide both sides of the equal sign by 56. 56 divided by 56, I wrote 55. Divided by 56, we get 1. So we have 1 fraction is equal to 42 over 56, or 42 divided by 56. That's not going to come out evenly, so really all we need to do is just reduce this fraction. We know that 7 goes into both of these numbers, so 7 times what gives me 42? 7 times 6 is 42, and 7 times 8 is 56. We can still reduce, and when we reduce this, we see that 2 goes into both of these numbers. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So the fraction that they were asking for is 3/4. In example 2, we're asked to solve 3/4 of what number is 60? Now we just need to solve for the what number part. Right now we are multiplying 3/4 times W, so instead of multiplying, we're going to have to divide on both sides of our equal sign. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we divide by 3/4. Well, this is awkward, so we don't usually divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply by 4/3. I end up getting 4 times 3, I get 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So I get 12 divided by 12, which is 1. So now I have 1 WN, which is what I need, but now I got to multiply by 3/4 on the other side of the equal sign. When I do that, I remember I can write my whole numbers over 1 to make it a fraction. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 60 20 times. I'm left with what number is equal to 20 times 4. Now the answer becomes 80. This concludes Lesson 74. For your practice on page 519, I would like you to do A and D.